Hello, okay. My name Muhammad Farhan bin Muhammad Maruf. Okay, and my matrix number is F 1020. Okay, today I am here to make a presentation on the flash float charts. I will present two charts today. Two charts. The first is a pie chart where we will see the flash float from 1986 to 2015. Uh, Here we see this pie chart showing the red color, show the height numbers with a reading of 499. Okay, next followed by green with a total of 220. Moreover, of the brown of record leading of 209, and the latest was the last blue with a leading of 66. Okay, next we will go to the next graph. Okay, next graph is the line graph, where this graph show the frequency of flash float according to the numbers on the left, and the height numbers recorded is 14 times. Okay, next at the bottom show the years is which flash float occurred from 2011 to June 2016, which 2014 is record the height value of 40 times. Okay, that's all I have from me. Thank you.
Okay, hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Hafizuddin Abdul Ghani, and my matrix number is 29-F 19F1010. Okay, I choose topic flash flood, and now want to I want to show you a direct affected element of the flash flood. Okay, the highest direct affected element is house, 498, and the second is car, 264, and third road affected is 106, and the fourth is LRT and other station, 9, and the fifth shop is 7, and the lowest direct affected element is flat, 2. Okay, the second chart, I choose the pictograph chart, and the pictograph shows the amount of rain received by a city over a few years. Okay, one cloth image equal 30 cm of rain. Okay, in 1995, we can see 120 cm of rain, and the next 1996 we see 60 cm of rain, and 1997 180 cm of rain, and 1998 is 60 cm of rain, and 1999 is 90 cm of rain, and 2000 30 cm of rain. This is rain for all. This is rainfall for 6 years.